So we already started work, and I was thinking, hey, let's turn it into a YouTube video. We have this travel trailer that we got from my mom, so we are renovating it. So we already, by we I mean me and my sister, who is holding the camera now. Say hi, Hannah.
Hi, Hannah.
Hi, Hannah. Okay, so she's taking down the blinds. I'm peeling off this wallpaper. So we did all this, and this is what we're working on now. The other ones came off easily. This one's really difficult.
It's not coming off.
So Hannah's working on unscrewing these, and there were all these like screws in here holding in the like, I don't know, what is it? Curtains. The curtains had like a tie back that were screwed in, so that's annoying to undo. But she already did all those. Now
ugly.
She's doing this. I'm peeling off wallpaper, and I think we're going to paint. So just do a pan of the room for me, please, Hannah. So we've got these double blinds. I think we're going to keep the blinds if we can figure out how to get them up.
They're fine, just the curtains that's the problem.
Yep. This is the big one that was over that window. Hannah just ripped it off.
Yeah, she called me Muscle Woman. I was very flattered.
Yeah. Okay. So, all right.
Those are all the curtains that were ripped off.
Yep. Okay. Thanks, Hannah. So it is a Saturday now, and we just finished priming. It looks really, really splotchy, but I think it's just the primer. We are going to let this dry, and we may come back tomorrow. See the primer here? We may come back tomorrow to paint, but we're not quite sure yet. I did peel off as much of the wallpaper as we could, and we might put tile up here, so we didn't peel off this wallpaper, we just painted over it. So yeah, we hit everything. I just noticed my mom missed that entire section right there, so I'll get back and do that. And also, we can't get down too far here, but there will always be a sofa here, and you can't even see it. So, yep, we've just been watching movies while we paint. It's taking about 1 1/4 movie. So, yep, progress. Okay, so this is day 3 of working on this travel trailer. We are painting. It is just me and my husband today, and I'm going to do some painting while he does some hanging of shelves and other manual labor things. So I'll give you a quick little pan around. We have, we're going to get this mattress out of here and bring her new one. This is just a pile of stuff that's going to belong in here. We have a bunch of curtains that you will see us hanging up at a different day, and we are actually not painting the walls in the bedroom, just the living room. It's kind of dark outside, but we were priming last time. We did not get up here because we didn't have a ladder, but today I will paint everything, and I'm hoping we only have to do 1 coat, but we'll see. So I'm back again today by myself this time. My husband's working, and I think my sister might come later, but I will show you around. The paint has dried now. It's been a couple days, And I will say some places look much better than others. Excuse me, I have the hiccups. I don't know why. This wall looks really nice. This one too. Back here, I really feel like I did a bad job. I might end up putting an extra coat or two on over here and this wall as well. But we are hanging a bunch of sheer curtains. So, excuse me, goodness. So we are putting these blinds back up. I have bought some L brackets that I'm going to use to screw them on. Excuse me. Well, yeah. They have holes in them for brackets. I don't think this is the right side. That's the bottom. But there are holes in them. I checked, and we're going to use them to screw the brackets up here, and then we're going to put curtains around that. So, mostly for the visual. We also have a sofa cover that we bought, and I'm not sure when, but I'm definitely going to recover the chair cushions for my mom. But I wanted her to get in here first and see what everything else looks like, and then we'll pick a fabric for the cushions. So that is the last step, and I'm going to peel off all this tape shortly. But yeah, we got all the chairs out. I mean, both of the chairs are now gone. As of last time we were here, my husband took those and this mattress out because we have another mattress we're going to bring in here. Yep, so this is where we stand. Got a huge pile of just stuff over here, so I'm going to be working on that, and then at some point soon my mom's going to come and actually give the place a good cleaning, and probably get rid of a lot of these rugs. We were just leaving them here to cover the floor while we were painting. So yep, that's the update. I will show you some time lapses probably of me hanging curtains after I take all this tape off. Alright. Okay, I know it got significantly darker in here because I hung up all the blinds, but it already feels better coolness level-wise. It's a lot cooler in here, so that's great. I'm going to try to hang some curtains now. So my original plan was to use those brackets to hang these up, but it didn't work like I thought it would, so I used command strips to hang it up. They hold, the big ones hold up to 17 pounds, the little ones up to 12, so I think it should be fine. I put multiples, especially on this really big one. Still looks crooked to me, so I might end up moving that again off camera. But yeah, I'm going to try to hang some curtains now. There are a few more blinds in the bedroom, but I'm going to go back and do those later. So, curtain time. Okay, as you can see, that one fell. I was leaning against it, and also I think the readjusting was not smart. So I'm going to have to get some help to hang that one up. But here we have one of the curtain rods. I'm using a drill to drill the holes, and then to put the screws in as well. I'm having trouble with this one because I can't get the drill in there, so I'm going to have my husband or brother-in-law, someone stronger than me, use that to get it in. But yeah, here are the sheer curtains, and I think it looks really good. So we can pull up the blinds. I'll show you. I'm worried to pull it up, but this pulls up and down, so you can have the sheer or you can have the blue, and I think it looks really nice. So time to replicate that on the entirety of the rest of the travel trailer. Yay. I also put the cushions here because I think it looks nicer. And honestly, I think once all these curtains are in, you really won't be able to tell that my paint job is horrible. I've discovered I should not paint. My sister was going to help, but all the days that I came over here, it just didn't work out, so yep. Alright. I think it looks really nice. Okay, so last time I was here, we hung up all the blinds, and all of them have since fallen down. This one is propped up. This one fell. This is the only one that remained where it belonged. Anyway, we're gonna, my husband's gonna hang them up properly instead of with command strips because that's much smarter. But we moved my mom in today with a bunch of stuff. We got it all set up, so. Yeah, so Curtis, my husband, is going to hang up these properly. But for now, I'll just give you a little shot. My sister is laying down on the couch, so I will not film her, I promise. My mom got these really pretty rugs, and we love these paintings. They were in her old house. We hung up some things today. And yeah, we have got a whole bunch. We were testing the TV antenna, so I don't know what show that is, but it's on. And these are all of our tools, but I'm going to recover these cushions for her. And yeah, most of the cabinets are actually empty, but we did put some dishes in, things like that, medicine, and yeah, another rug in here. This is the shower curtain. We actually don't have the hooks right now, so that'll go up in a bit. Oh, hi. And then we are getting the mattress tomorrow, so yep, that is everything. This is all the stuff that's gonna go in the bed. And under here we actually have a whole bunch of quilts and Afghans, and I actually made all but this one. I made all of them. Yeah. So, that back down. Yep. That's where we're standing. Making more progress. Muscle woman, can you do it? Woo! That wasn't screwed. It's just from the wood. well.